Hi, today I'm going to explain to you what repeat.gg is. So, in short, this is a website where you can get paid to compete on tournaments and win, or just doing some menial tasks from a game. So, if I scroll down here, there's a couple games that they support right now: Brawl Stars, Dota 2, League of Legends, PUBG, Rocket League, Fortnite, and Call of Duty Warzones. So, for example, here if I do Dota, you can choose a platform as well. Right now, there's only PC. And as you can see here, there's a couple of tournaments you can join. There's two different kinds of prizes. There's cash and there's also coins from repeat.gg. The most prize pool right now is about $1,000, but it's a big tournament. There's about top 800 players competing. And if you want to win this prize pool, you'll of course have to win the tournament as well. But there's a lot of free like tournaments you can compete in too. Once you compete on this tournament, you'll need to make an account from here. But once you complete these, you'll get either the cash prize or the coins from repeat.gg.